Hi there. Right, we're back to meal, I'm not sure which number we're on now, of cooking on the budget. So I was gonna do burgers, but we don't have burger buns, so I'm not gonna go out and cheat and buy them. So I think we're gonna have meatballs and pasta tonight. So I've got the last half of the minced pork. So we're gonna have pork and sage meatballs. I've got half a chopped onion here. I'm going to put some garlic in as well, so I'm just going to grate that in. It's quicker than trying to dice it up nice and small. And also, it does leave the skin behind, which you don't always want. Let's put that aside. I have some fresh sage from the garden, and it smells absolutely lovely. Really, really does. So I'm just going to roughly chop that up, bang it in the bowl. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. So there's a bit of a pinch there, and a pinch of pepper. Mix it all together. Really well. Got extra onion in there that will probably come out when I roll them, and then I will just make them into little balls to cook in the sauce. Okay, let me just wash my hands off. And then for the sauce, nice, quick and easy. Got some butter in my pan. I've got my other half of an onion. I'm going to blitz the sauce, so I'm just going to roughly chop. I possibly might later add some parsley, which I've also got growing in the garden. And then I'm using some tomato fritto, so tinned tomatoes, puree, water, whatever you've got. So then I'm going to pop this on the stove, cook the onions down, season it, add the tomato, and then blitz it. And that's all I've got. All for the moment, really. I'm going to add that bit of garlic rather than wasting it. So yeah, we'll come back. Okay, so I've rolled my meatballs. My sauce is ready. I've added a little bit of parsley. I'm just going to blitz it. Lovely. I'm just going to add a little bit of water to that sauce. Season it. Lovely. Okay. I've done that with a spoon. Give it a taste. Oh, that's great. That doesn't need any more salt or anything. That's perfect. And then I'm working today, so I will put the sauce on my meatballs, like so. And there you go. And that's me, ready for when I come home from work. I'll bung this in the oven, cook some pasta, and probably grate some cheese. And that's dinner ready for tonight. Okay, see you later. Right, okay, I'm home from work now. I threw obviously the meatballs and stuff in the oven and cooked some pasta and worked out the costs. So I worked out the cost earlier. It was $1.91 for the two of us, but then I've added some cheese, so it's probably about €2.20 for the two of us to eat sage and pork meatballs with pasta, and I'm actually starving. So, well, I'll catch you tomorrow for breakfast.